case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2009, a contentious case emerged, Miller v. Skumanick, that brought attention to the issue of sexting, a common practice among American teenagers involving sexually suggestive messages and images sent via cell phone or internet. The United States District Court for the Middle District of Pennsylvania had to decide whether the images in question met the definition of child pornography and whether the defendant's threats of prosecution were acts of retaliation against the plaintiff's use of their constitutional rights. The case began when parents of two girls, whose pictures were discovered on confiscated cell phones, filed a motion for a temporary restraining order against the defendant, Skumanick. He had threatened to prosecute the girls for felony child pornography charges unless they complied with his conditions. In response, the plaintiffs filed a complaint alleging the violation of constitutional rights. The court granted a temporary restraining order, TRO, to protect the plaintiffs from prosecution, finding that the harm suffered by the plaintiffs outweighed any harm to the defendant. A preliminary injunction hearing was scheduled for June 2, 2009. The court permitted the plaintiffs to use pseudonyms and granted a protective order, while denying their motion to compel the defendant to produce the photographs. Split the text above into sentences. Identify the most important physical item or profession in the sentence. If there is no physical item or profession, then use a physical good or profession from a different sentence. Suggest a physical good or profession that could represent justice or the court. Avoid suggesting anything sexual, text, logos, signs, documents, words, symbols, hands, feet, or anything abstract. Don't repeat images across sentences. Describe the image in 5-8 words. Format your response in JSON.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.